Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple transaction system using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, gagawa muna tayo ng panibagong file. Ayan po, click niyo yung new sa may upper left corner. And ang lalagay nating pangalan sa folder is transaction system kasi yun naman po yung gagawin natin. And after that, punta tayo sa Visual Studio Code and i-open natin yung folder na ginawa natin kanina. Then, create new file. We need 3 new files which are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for us to create a transaction system. Punta po muna tayo sa Notepad kung saan dito ko po sinave yung code para din na natin kailangan mag-type pa isa-isa at para din na po tayo mahirapan at matagalan. Nandito na po tayo sa Notepad. I-copy-paste lang po natin. I-paste po natin doon sa Visual Studio Code. And after natin makopy na lahat, huwag kakalimutan na i-save muna bago i-run. Ayan, na-save na po natin. Click run and ayan na. Ito na po yung transaction system natin. Ang ginawa ko po is Melty Shop transaction system wherein you can order your drinks. Okay, let's try if it is working. In my menu, you can choose anything and how many milk do you want to order. And then click add. You can also choose toppings if you want and side dishes. After that, i-click ko po tong print receipt and yun na po yung receipt ng order. Meaning lang po nito is that the code is working. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my videos and see you again.